Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make traditional craft items. We'll explore simple techniques to create beautiful, decorative pieces using materials you might already have. This guide focuses on easy methods, ensuring anyone can follow along and enjoy the process of making something unique. Get ready to unleash your creativity and craft some charming objects. Before we begin, let's gather our materials. You'll need some basic items such as paper, string, and a safe adhesive like craft glue. Make sure all your materials are non-toxic, especially if children are involved. Setting up a clean and organized workspace will make your crafting experience much more enjoyable and efficient. Now, let's dive into some simple assembly techniques. We'll cover basic folding and cutting methods that are perfect for paper-based crafts. You'll also learn how to securely join various materials using different adhesives. Adding decorative elements like beads or paint can truly bring your creations to life, making them uniquely yours. Finally, it's time to finish your craft item. Applying a clear sealant or varnish can help protect your creation and make it last longer. Remember to allow ample drying time for any glues or paints you've used to ensure everything sets properly. Once dry, you can proudly display your beautiful, handmade traditional craft item for everyone to admire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.